Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to add a freeze frame in FlexClip. In this tutorial, I'm not going to show you how to create a video, rather how to use the freeze frame feature. You can check this in-depth tutorial on how to create a video in FlexClip. So here I'm logged into my FlexClip account and I'm in the main dashboard area. I've already created a demo project here, so I'll open it by clicking this edit button. And here we are in the FlexClip video editor. Let me go to the video section in the left side panel. I already have a video clip here which I'm going to use in this tutorial. So I'll hover my mouse over this clip and then click this add button and the video will be added to the scene. Now I'll use this play button to preview the video clip. And I'll pause the video right about here, which is where I want to add the freeze frame. I'll place the cursor exactly where the playhead is in the timeline below, and then I'll right click, and from these options, I'll choose freeze frame, and you will see that it has added a clip in the timeline below, right about here, which is essentially a PNG image. You can then click on it and then place the cursor at the edge of the clip and then drag it left or right to increase or decrease the duration of the clip. Now, if we preview the clips, you will see that it plays the first part, like so, and then right here it will pause at the freeze frame and then resume the video after the freeze frame. And that looks pretty cool. Now I'll place the playhead right here, which is just at the start of the freeze frame in the timeline below. And then I'll go to the text section in the left side panel. I'll scroll down, and in this shape overlays section, I'll click on see all. And then in this section here, I'll scroll down. I'll choose this one and click on it to add it to the freeze frame like so. I'll then click on the shape and change the color to black. Next, I'll click on the text and then change it to stunt perfection in progress. And then finally adjust the text box with these handles like so. Now let's take a final preview of the full scene. So the video essentially plays the first part, then pauses at the freeze frame with the animated text, and then after that, it resumes the video, as you can see here, and that creates a really nice effect. You can obviously add some more effects if you want to. For example, in this final video, I decided to add some colored smoke animation effect at the start of the freeze frame, as you can see here. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.